Merry Christmas! This is the Computer Programming University, and today I'm going to do a special holiday. Camera's over here. I don't know, I'm looking over there. Special holiday tutorial, real quick and simple. I'm going to show you guys how you can basically run Linux commands from within a Python script. But before we do that, I'm going to do this. That's easy. All right, enough of that. Let's get to the lesson. It's beginning to feel a lot like live streams. Live streams. Boom. Right. So this is actually a GUI program that I've been working on. This has to do with our trading system project that I'm working on. But in this program, I'm actually using the sub process import call, which is what we want to use today. So created a directory, mkdir sub process call. Let's go ahead and go to that directory. So cd sub process call. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. If you celebrate that. Anyways, let's just go ahead and let's just call this subproc. Proc. Boom. All right. I for insert. Let's do a shebang. Shebang. User. Oh, by the way, I was up all night because I'm staying at a family member's house and someone was super snoring all night long and I could not sleep. So, gotta excuse me about that. So anyways, let's get right to it. So let's do a print and let's put something in there. Shout out to Igor. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. Escape, colon, WQ. Boom. And now we can do Python sub process. Boom. Shout out to Igor. Oh, yeah. We can go back in there. And we can do an insert and add an exclamation. So we're shouting, shout out! So we're literally shouting. Well, not literally, but you get the point. Boom. There's our program. And then we can also add a, well, what if we wanted to clear the screen? Let's first of all confirm that command in this environment. So it should be clear. All right, so let's add clear so that when we run this command, we don't see all this nonsense, right? So let's go in here. And what we're going to do right here is we're going to import the sub process. So we're going to go start out our little Python script here with a from sub. What am I doing? Sub process. I'm spelling that correctly. Let me just make sure I am not making a typo. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. Putting a space there. Sub process. 1 second. No sleep last night. No sleep at all. I am falling asleep on you, and you were falling asleep on me. From sub process import call is what we want to use. All right. So we want to use call. Right. That is specifically what we want to use here, and we're going to do that before we print. So I should be able to call my lawyer to sue YouTube for being a horrible company. Or we could do a open parentheses, close parentheses, open bracket, close bracket, quote, quote. And in here, we can say clear. And hopefully this should work. Otherwise, that would be embarrassing. But we're about to find out. Without further ado. Oh, yeah. It's that simple, guys. That simple. So if you want to be able to run a shell command, so something that you type in at the prompt, pwd ls free top, well, I don't know if you wanted to, yeah, why not? Why not? Whatever you would normally type in at the command prompt. If you want to have access to that from within Python, and for some of you are probably sitting there wondering, this is a stupid tutorial. Why even import all that stuff? Why don't you just type it in like it's a shell script? That's a great idea. Wonderful idea. This is stupid. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's just comment this out and let's do it like sensible people. Just type in clear, like it's a corn shell or bash, right? It's just a script, man. Just type in the command and run it. All you got to do. All right. All right. Let's see what happens. Python subprocess.py and run. Oh, no. Wah, wah, wah. What happened here? Name error. Name clear is not defined. So I'm not sure of all the things that the Python interpreter will do with a string like we typed in clear, but I know that it would, one of the things that it definitely would do is it would try to see if that is a variable. So for example, if I had done something like clear equals and then say Nick rocks, I said, yo, hold on, guys. We got to get back in the holiday spirit. Hang on, guys. Yo. I said Nick rocks, not kick rocks. And I flip flops. That's exactly what we're not going to do in this Linux tutorial, is have me, who cannot rap, try to rap. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get back to the screen share and we're gonna complete this tutorial in a professional manner and stop wasting your time. Happy holidays. Anyway, by the way, I think I mentioned already, I'm staying with family for the holidays, and well, I'll show you Batman later on, or Spider-Man. All right, okay. Clear equals Nick rocks. So now let's see what happens. Now clear is going to now mean something, but still, let's see what the interpreter actually does with that. Let's go and let's run that. Run that. Shout out to Igor. So, didn't really do anything because we just said clear. What does that mean? What does clear mean? Clear, I do declare, please. I'm hungry. So clear is just Nick rocks. So to simply say clear, not really very eventful. So what if we say print clear? How about that? Print clear. Let's go Python subprocess. Look at that. Nick rocks, not kick rocks, and okay. So you see, that would be one of the things that the interpreter would have been looking to see, is clear a variable that you had declared previously. But I do declare you did not declare clear as a variable. So that's why you got that error. Clear could have also been a function. So we could have done a def. You guys get the point. Bottom line is, the reason why we did all this from sub process, come on, spit it out. The reason why we did the from sub process import call, and then we go down and we do the actual call, is because you can't simply type in shell command. You do not have access to the shell commands like you would if you were writing a bash script or corn script or something like that. Does not work that way. This is Python. This is also the Computer Programming University. So you can't just type in commands like that. That's why you got to do it. So it's that simple. You want to be able to access shell commands. Well, this is not the only way. You can also use the sys library as well. That's another way to do it. I think that might be a little bit of a convoluted way to do it. Might be a little bit unnecessary because this is nice and clean. Literally, all we did is we did a from sub process import call. And then when we wanted to actually use a shell command, we just simply typed it in within this context. So that being said, just for example, call, we can do another one, brackets, and quotes, and we can yank, and put. Okay, so we can go in here and we can say ls, we can say free, we can say, what else? du, we can say, what else? What else can you say? I wonder what would happen if I did something that has quotes in it. I'm gonna guess probably want to use different type of quotes in there. Actually, I don't need the quotes for an echo command, so I should be able to just type in echo, please click the like. Clicking the like supports the channel, and if you enjoy this type of content, which I do basically for free, I think this channel might make $10 a month. If you knew how much money that I make at my job, you would know that my time is worth a lot more than $10 a month. So for me to be giving this time for free when I could charge, click on that like. Click on that like. I'm taking the time on Christmas to help you guys out. I do not have to. This video will not get many views. I will not really get any money from it. So the least you could do is click on the like. And I appreciate that. Happy holidays. On that note, what else do we want to type in? Another command. What's another command? Another command. We didn't do PWD. PWD. Let's do PWD. And then finally, what's another command I can type in? What is another command? Oh, let's do date. Let's go out on a date with a hot supermodel. And then we can put a space between this and the next line by simply doing an XXXX insert echo. And then let's see what happens when we double up these quotes. So let's have double quotes within double quotes. Let's see what happens. Will it complain or will it just run? Nobody knows if it's gonna work. Nobody knows at all. Nobody knows. I'm the only one. Special. I can say it was a loved one. You would say someone's knocking at my window. Someone's ringing my bell. What on earth is that? That is called classic hip hop. All right, so let's run it. Run that. Ugh. So we got the asterisk quarks coming in. So why is it doing that? So I'm pretty certain it probably was trying to process that as an actual special character. It's saying line 172, 394, 1047. Obviously, my script does not have that many lines, so it's complaining about lines within the subprocess library that I imported. So somehow I'm breaking things in there. So let's see if we can fix this. Now, I am new to using this, so I do not know the rules, but I'm just going to be logical here and see if I can escape them. So you can stop processing that as a special character and see what happens. that did not do it. So let's just make sure for a fact that this is in fact what's causing the problem. I'm pretty sure it is, but just to confirm. Okay, so that was not causing the issue, perhaps. Then it's probably the this one, the quotes within the quotes. I'm going to guess the one that I was suspicious of in the first place. Let's see what happens. And there you have it. So I think everything worked. So let's see what we got going here. We got clear screen. We got free. Let's cat our program. So we got clear, and it should be ls. So there you go. So it clears the screen. ls shows you just this one file. Results of free. Then we have du. Du. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check that. I'll check that later. PWD. So that will be this. And then date, I can clearly see is right under that. And then echo, well, we skip that. So then the final one is shout out to Igor. So it did everything. So it would seem that the quotes would be the problem. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go back inside and we are going to, and actually let me use my little shortcut thing, thingamajig, for you guys, little trick. I think it's plus, then this, then maybe this. See what happens. Yep. So what I did, this is a little time saver. So I'm opening up the file with VIM and, or plus, I'm opening up the file with VIM plus, I'm also doing a search like you would in VIM. You use that slash to do a search. And then this is simply the string I'm searching for. So that takes me directly to the line with that string. And notice it seems to be, it remembers like, okay, so it found the one in the middle, right? So it found this. And based on what I saw the last time, it actually will move to the next hit at the bottom. Yeah, so see, it remembers. All right, so anyway, so that's a way you can get straight to wherever you want to go instead of, because you have a long file, you don't have to be scrolling all over the place like an idiot, right? You're not an idiot. I'm an idiot, but you're not an idiot. So anyway, let's WQ and let's run it now that we've. This is the Computer Programming University, and this concludes this episode. Once again, happy holidays to everyone, and this is Computer Programming University, where learning is always fun as it should be. And you're clicking on the like button and subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. And make sure you smash that bell. Shout out to the CPU squad. Until next episode, happy holidays. How's it go? Feliz Navidad. Feliz años. Felicidad. Wow. How's it go? Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Cumpleaños feliz. Does anyone speak Spanish? Can tell me how that song goes? I forgot how it goes. Whatever. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Salut. Bonjour. Vigets. Hasta luego. Until next time. Ciao. Boom. Ciao. Boom. with great power comes great responsibility. Okay, that was corny. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Brutal this time.